Drink at the nail. Excellent. Just going to cut into the nail. To make sure that is straight. Very good. She said, ooh. The patient said, ooh, that's a big piece. So I did actually surgery on the other side. So that's January, so it's 2 months post-surgery. And then this one, basically, like I said to him, probably missed me so much that it wants to become ingrown. So we're just doing the ingrown on that one. But that looks really nice. You see that size there? Yeah, happy with that? Yeah. So I'm just going to clean that area. I'm going to put the phenol in. Just going to check. It looks like I've grabbed everything. So I've got the nail root. Just going to double check. There's actually some more in there actually. Sorry, I'm just being very pickety because I don't want your ingrown nail to come out. Just grabbing a few more. Yeah, yeah. See? Always double, triple check. Always double, triple check. Sorry, I'm just very picky. So. Yeah, so see. I'm good to go with that. You're better. Good. Happy with that. Just the phenol now. 1 minute counting now, please. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Let's dress it. So all done. I'm going to dress your toe. Tunica off. Just a bit bulky, so I'm just redoing it. Bleeding is normal. We want to check if the bleeding has returned, which it has. Very confused with this dressing today. Better. fantastic. That's tape to secure, and then we'll lightly put another. We have a, yeah, can I have more tape, please? Underneath it. Thank you. Excellent. Just one around or two around.